one.
There's 2 out. First, then if it gets too alert,
Started.
Go. Right.
Part 2 of Billy and Molly's Frog Pond.
So this is the same day. Right, I'm pretty sure this is...
Oh.
Where did he go? He's such a fast one.
Filming.
Right.
Fuck.
Where? Okay, right, this is Bob, I'm pretty sure. Go. There we go. Beautiful patterns. Especially on the bottom, when you see them. Ooh, go on, swim. Don't run away from me, buddy. But if you see the patterns on its stomach, it's really beautiful. There's a spider there. Spots. And it's very beautiful. Right, I'm going to try find a baby. That's the aim of the game today.
It's a very nice leaf.
Very nice one.
I don't know, I'm just taking in the leaf. That looks like a pom-pom. I don't know why. It's like the bit of a boat though. I don't know why, it just looks like a pom-pom.
Right.
I think I need to go closer. Right guys, so I'm closer now.
Quiet, so I'll get the attention. Oh.
Little wasp encounter.
Right, as soon as it comes, the other one comes. So we're going to wait until that goes and then we'll be back with you. If it gets stung. Oh, he's going now. What? Did he just drown?
Hopefully.
No, did he just fall into the water? I think I'm just going to carry on. You ready?
Yep.
For God's sake. There's a big stinger in them actually.
Oh god, oh god.
Oh, the frog left.
No.
Yeah. There's a baby frog right here, guys. Right beyond us. Now, come on. There he is, look guy. Come on. No, this is little Timmy. Look at